Wake up early, rise and shine. Stretch your arms, it's breakfast time. Brush your teeth and wash your face. Put your things all in their place. Off to play or off to school. Follow every safety rule. Draw and learn, then time to eat. Lunch with friends is such a treat. After lunch, it's time for fun. We run and jump beneath the sun. Then we tidy, clean and sort. Helping out is good report. Evening comes, it's bath and bed. Snuggle soft with Teddy's head. Read a story, dreams begin. Can't wait for tomorrow's grin.